right, guys, we were just talking about this train, and here they are. They're running a little behind. We just went from a white indicator behind M409 to yellow. Guys, it is very hot. For all of you that are out, and we'll be out all summer, that work and everything, everybody out there, stay safe in this deadly heat. Symbol on that train is the CSX I038 double stack train. Pretty good size and well stacked. That train starts off in Jacksonville, Florida, heads north to Charlotte, North Carolina, where it terminates.